Alright guys, so in this episode of 2 Inches, we're gonna put a billet grill on the 71C10. Next thing we're gonna try to do is fixing the window, because like when we try rolling down the window, it doesn't go anywhere. So we're gonna see if we can like fix it. I think it just fell out of the railing, so I'm gonna see if we can take off the door panel and see if we can get back on the channel where it has to go up and down at. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Okay guys, so the first thing I have to do is you have to take off the armrest holder, the door handle, then we can take off the window roller. So the armrest holder has 2 screws right here. We're gonna go ahead and take off. Alright guys, so I'm a little bit worried because like I have my other toolbox, my big toolbox. I got this little like small one, but I don't think like we need that much tools, or so I can just take out this window. Okay guys, so for the door handle and the window slider, you need one of these special tools, because like these, they have a little spring in the back. So you put this through, and there's gonna be like a little pin. You have to like search around for it. You have to be careful, because then like if you take it out, it's gonna like pop out and like you won't be able to find it. Alright guys, so it's like this. You push it through and it went flying out, so you have to be careful with these. Okay guys, so we got it off, and this is a little pin I'm talking about, so you have to be really careful with these because they just go flying out. But the way this works is this has like a little slit right there, and on this side, and like all this stuff is just like goes right here holding on like that, and then like you just push it through and then it locks. So let's go ahead and get the other one off. The next step is to take off these Phillips heads. There's 4 of them right here. Yeah, so these are the Phillips heads we're gonna be taking off. We might actually have to like take off these 2 screws off the speaker so we can like move it down a little bit so we can get this panel out. Alright guys, so I went ahead and like rolled down the window. I was able to like push it down, so it looks like the window fell out of like the guide that pushes it up. I'm not sure how I'm gonna be able to put that back on, but I'm gonna see if I can just like push it in a little bit, see like, because I want to force it and crack the windshield. So I'm gonna see if I can just like tap a few times, see like if it'll go in there. Alright guys, so I took apart the door a little bit more, and I found out that the rubber grommet that has to go in here that holds the window down is missing. Well, not missing, it was just like super dry, like it's falling off in pieces. Because like the window goes up, but like the problem is getting it back down. So I believe that's the issue, that like it's not like, it doesn't have a tight grip on it, then like the glue here is all bad too. So I'm gonna have to go ahead and order a new one so I can go ahead and replace it. But like it goes, like it works fine, like it goes down and up pretty easy. So it's just that. So we're gonna go ahead and order it and get it fixed. I'm gonna go ahead and put all of this together again, so we can be done with this. But yeah, I'm gonna replace it. I'm gonna go ahead and order the part and replace it in the next video. Alright guys, we're gonna go ahead and put the door handle back on. So the springs we took off, like they just like slide right in here. There's a little like slits you just push it into, and that it goes like that. Then all you have to do is put it where it has to go. Make sure it's the right side, not the don't put on the window one. Now you do is push it, and that's it. Alright guys, so we're gonna go ahead and install the armrest back. So let's go ahead and do that. All I have to do is align and then put the screw in. Alright guys, let me go and show you what we're gonna take off so you can get this grill off and put the new one in. Okay guys, so the grill, the original one, it has some bolts right here, 2 in the front basically, then it has one in the bottom, a screw in here let's take off, then another 2 bolts right here. So yeah, let's go ahead and get this project underway. Alright guys, so now that like we're able to like pull it down, we're gonna go ahead and take off the old grill by sliding it up here. Cool. We got the old one out, and let's put the new one in. Alright guys, so this is a new Billet grill. It's super shiny. I like it. We're gonna go ahead and install and see how it looks right now. But yeah. Alright guys, so we're gonna go ahead and put all the bolts back on. This one's the first one. Alright guys, so here's the before and after. This is how it looks now. Yeah, I think it came out really cool. It looks really nice, super shiny. Oh, then like these are how like the headlights look. I mean the turn signals look from the last video. Alright guys, so this is it for this video. Hopefully you'll like how it turned out. Make sure to hit like, subscribe, and share this video if you like what you see. Alright, see you next time. See you guys.